This is Junkyard Revival. Super Citrus is going to knock it right off with very, very little effort. Years and years of buildup and wiping it out in a matter of seconds. This thing's cool. I don't know, but I like it. I want to put this at my house. I wonder how bad the neighbors would be. I had this in my backyard. Like I can make a grilling station out of it or something, you know? Look at the old garbage truck. I wonder if it would be kind of cool to sit in. I wish this had a horn on it. I'd honk it. We'll walk this back row real quick because there's usually some good Super Citrus victims over here on this side because they're sitting under these trees. Which we would have to bring the water back for that, but we at least scope it out while we're down here. It still looks good. Got you working hard today, don't they? Yeah. I want to try to go down here. We've seen that trailer earlier, and campers are notorious for like black streaks. They get black streaks down them. So Super Citrus is the #1 product sold by volume for us because it's an all-purpose cleaner, has so many uses. We had a lot of response from the videos last season from the Super Citrus. These black streaks that go down campers and trailers are very, very common. And we got those questions a lot on our Super Citrus video. Will this work on my RV? Will this work on my camper? It's actually the product we suggest to use when you're talking about any kind of black streaks, gel coat, sometimes like even mildew, all these different things that can happen. Like this boat is a prime example on the outside of it. All that buildup on there, you know, from just years and months of sitting here and collecting all kinds of different things. We can use that citrus on that too. But I had seen this trailer over here. Obviously this one's like deteriorated, but on the other side, there's some severe black streaks. And so we're gonna just put citrus to the test on this to see how well it does removing some of this. Watch your step, make sure there ain't no big snakes or nothing. So we got the IK sprayer. This is just water because we are out here in the middle of a junkyard. You need a TV remote? Got those out here. This is extreme, but this is what happens on campers and things. You get some, you know, mold, mildew stuff starting to happen. Just lots of buildup. You can even see behind this door where it's kind of built up with mold, mildew. I'm going to show you what citrus with just a little bit of water. Obviously we're going to agitate it with something. We'll use this is wash pad. We did this in a video last season and everybody thought this was steel wool for some reason. This is really, really bad. We're going to put citrus on here, see how good it does of cleaning this up. So give us just a second and we'll get to work. You can see it already starting to like melt this, really just starts to melt it. I mean, it just makes it like goo. That is just one pass over, not a lot of rubbing. The citrus literally breaks that stuff down. Now, I'm sure if you didn't have citrus, it would eventually come off with some hard rubbing too, but that citrus really just breaks that down. This is just water again. Dry towel just to dry it up. And you can tell, obviously. So if you have black streaks, mildew, anything build up on your camper, gel coat, Super Citrus is going to be one that will take care of that stuff and knock it right off with very, very little effort. You can follow us. We'll go over here to this boat and see what it does on it too. And we'll put some citrus on it and knock some of this junk off there. I mean, this stuff is on there. We won't need any tape. Let me get a little bit of agua on my mitt. This here takes a little more rubbing, but I mean, I'm just letting the mitt do the work, rubbing across it. Oh, I got it all over me. And that is taking old years and years of buildup and wiping it out in a matter of seconds. And it's things like that that make citrus, you know, just the most versatile, easy product for around your house, whether it be boats, trucks, cars, grout, sinks, garages. Super Citrus is most versatile, and for that reason right there, because of its ability. This right here is now down to bare bones. You could polish this out, and maybe next time we come out, we'll bring some of our marine products, and we're gonna tackle those seats and show you what a polish on here now that this is dull, super oxidized, and just see what a polish, how well we can bring this back from this back to a like brand new finish. Maybe even bring out the hybrid polisher and see just how well this boat could be brought back to life, and might make me want to buy it.